Far away, beyond the rolling hills, there was a magical place called Rainbow Village. In this village lived all the colors you could imagine. There was red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, and pink. Each color was bright, and each color was very proud. One sunny morning, red puffed out its chest and said, "I want to shine all by myself. I am the strongest color of all." But blue quickly replied, "No, I am calm and as deep as the ocean. I should be the one to shine alone." Yellow laughed a bright, sunny laugh. "I am the color of the sun. I am the brightest. So I should fill the sky soon." All the colors were arguing. Each one wanted to have the whole sky to itself. As they argued, the sky listened. It grew sad and turned a dull, dreary gray. Without the colors, the whole world looked sad. The flowers drooped their heads. The children in the village stopped playing and frowned, and the village lived for wonderful. Friends Emma, Noah, Lily, and Jack, they loved the colors, and they loved the bright, cheerful sky. They wanted to see the world become bright and happy again. Emma whispered to her friends, "Why are the colors fighting?" Noah looked up at the gray sky and said, "They don't see how beautiful they are when they are all together." Lily smiled a hopeful smile. "We have to remind them." Jack nodded with determination. "Let's go help them." So the children walked over to where Red was sulking. Emma said gently, "Red, you are so strong, but you shine even brighter when you have friends by your side." Red thought about her words quietly. Next, they walked over to Blue. Noah said, "Blue, you are so calm, but you truly glow when other colors join you." Blue listened carefully. Then they went to find Yellow. Lily said, "Yellow, you are so bright, but you sparkle even more when you share your light." Yellow paused and considered what she said. Finally, they found green, orange, purple, and pink all huddled together. Jack spoke to all of them. "Each one of you is special, but when you are together, you create magic." The colors looked at one another. They remembered what the children had said. They started to feel respect for each other. That evening, as the sky grew dark, all the colors gathered. They held hands and whispered, "Let us shine together." Red stretched across the sky in a bold arc. Blue flowed peacefully right beside it. Yellow glowed with a warm, happy light. Green danced gently in the middle. Orange sparkled like a jewel. Purple shimmered softly, and pink smiled at the very edge. And then something truly magical happened. A rainbow appeared. It arched across the entire sky. More bright and beautiful than anything anyone had ever seen. The whole world lit up with color. The flowers lifted their heads again. The children clapped their hands with pure joy. Emma pointed up and said, "Look, the rainbow is here." Noah whispered in awe. "Together they are perfect." Lily smiled and said, "Their differences are what make the world so beautiful." And Jack laughed. "Unity makes harmony." The colors in the rainbow looked down at the four friends. In a voice that sounded like a gentle breeze, they said, "Thank you, we will never forget this lesson. We are strongest when we shine together." From that day on, Rainbow Village was always a place of peace. The colors respected each other. They shared the sky and made beautiful rainbows after every storm. The children visited them often. They would tell stories under the rainbow, sing songs, and dream of a world where everyone respected each other's differences and the rainbow glowed softly above them, whispering a gentle truth for all to hear. Respecting our differences is what creates harmony. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story. If you did, please like this video and subscribe for more bedtime stories. Sweet dreams, little dreamers.